All right, I've got a good operating Craftsman zero turn ZTS 6000. It's got a 52-inch deck on it. This is a really older model unit, but runs great, doesn't smoke, everything works as it should. Really the only issues with it are going to be cosmetic. It is missing the grass chute over here, small crack on the seat there, and then this whole shroud cover has been cracked and zip tied back together. The older gentleman that owned it said that his wife wrecked the side-by-side into it, and he kind of pieced it back together, I guess. But it doesn't affect its operation, but you can see little zip ties and JB weld type stuff to try to hold that stuff together. It's got electric deck lift, good ground speed, good blade tip speed. I actually don't know what this is. This is your park brakes. It's got to be on to be able to start it, and it's got to be off to be able to drive it. It's got a 26 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. I forget what they call that actually. Let's pop this up. The whole thing lifts on this thing. 26 horsepower Platinum Briggs & Stratton XRD. Oh, that's just signifying your deck height. That's what that is. I'm crazy. Electric deck adjustment is right here. Start it up. Choke it, sorry. You can see the exhaust is right here. It's not blowing any smoke. I'll idle it down for you. Rev it back up. Engine runs nice and smooth. Engage the blades. Lower it right here. Gotta have that e-brake off. It's got good ground speed and it tracks nice and straight. Grass right here. Phone cut off out of space, but you can see cuts real good right there. This thing is ready to go.